Hello folks, I'd like to show you today is flat fix. If you have a stronger hammer, will be very helpful. Or if you don't, you just find a big rock size a little bigger than this. You can use the rock or you can use the hammer, whatever convenient time. You can heat it up, put it in there. Now this I got from a truck stop. Only this selling for a little over $10 this package. So you can make your puncture extra hole in there. Also I bought the extra super glue. Use that because once you dry, it will hold extra pound inside, so it's not gonna be pushed out. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be use. So put some super glue, open it up, and put a little bit here, then take it out this. You can push back inside. Sometimes it doesn't go inside. Oh, it goes inside. Oh, that's good. So you can simply take it out. Huh. What the heck? Okay, try again. Alright, push it in all the way. Sometimes it's turning. Or I can slowly pull it out. Right there. So it came out. Because 앞으로 90, 100 pound in there. So let some air out first. Then you can put it in. Stays a lot better. 앞으로 too much air inside. Once you put too much air, 90, 100 pound. Even you put this push it out right away. So let drain to 30, 50 pound of air. Then much easier put it back in. So again, I'll put some. Let's try again. This is still too much air inside. Sometimes you have to be put more than one piece. If your one piece doesn't work, just put one more. You can put one more and two in there. If your two doesn't work, you can put three of them. So make it stronger, tie together. Okay, that's how truck fix flat tire. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure when you do that, don't put too much air because I put way too much air in there. So make sure. Sometimes flat as that time is better to put it on. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching, folks. So I'm gonna put one more in there. I'm gonna put one more. That's bigger. All right. Thank you. See there, folks. It don't look like a flat tire, right? When you hit it. Wow. That's why a lot of truck drivers have sticks and hammers. They are banging on the tires because sometimes you cannot see flat tire or not. Invisible eyes. Okay, make sure you hit it, then you know it is a flat tire. My ones I just find out there's some big nails right there that reduce the air, so got flat. So the nails. So always check your tire. Alright, folks. Thank you for watching and thank you for thumbs up. From New Jersey here. So I put there 3 of them. Now I'm gonna be put one more. I'm gonna fix much nicer. Okay. So next step, cut some this extra stops and cut it out because too much is junk in there. So cut it out. Make it nicer. Now, if you feel that it stays looks okay, then you don't have to put one more. If you feel that sometimes the air leaks right here somewhere, simply make it one more in there. Okay, that's how you fix the flat fix. This is all package. It comes with a little over $10 or so. Now you can buy extra sport glues any place. This extra compound holds better inside. It doesn't pop out. Okay, that's using for sport glue. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. That's the how flat fix. Then also you can trim really good. Then after that, I will put some extra super glue on top. Any gaps inside, you are not seeing visibly, so it will make your firmly and flat surface. So that's how I do. Okay, so let it waiting for like 5-10 minutes. Then once it dries, and good to go. All right, folks. All right, thank you for watching, and that's how you fix the flat tires. See there, folks. It don't look like a flat tire, right? When you hit it, wow. A lot of truck drivers have sticks and hammers. They are banging on the tires because sometimes you cannot see flat tire or not. Invisible eyes. Okay, make sure you hit it, and you know it is a flat tire. My ones I just find out there's some big nails right there that reduce the air, so the flat. So the nails. So always check your tire, alright, folks. Thank you for watching, and thank you for thumbs up. From New Jersey here. Hello, folks. Thank you for watching Golden Rabbit USA. Now you go. I didn't expect anybody watching and subscription, anything like that. Now, your app, actually I started 9 years ago, and I quit because busy life job. I started 9 years ago my YouTube channel. So close around heading to about 400 subscription right now. And I checked it about 120,000 people watching my channel. I didn't expect that so many people watching my channel. So today I'd like to share with you when you have a cell phone or a smartphone, sometimes the battery die like this. It doesn't get charged. Level 0. When you plug into the charging, it's not gonna be charged still because it has some battery. Now it's charging, but it's not gonna be fully charged. Okay, so you have the experience. So in order to do, so it's a 0. recharge this cell phone or smartphone, you have to be drained all the way. It has a tiny battery power in there. So you can continue press the power button. Probably it takes about, depends on your phone, takes about a couple minutes or sometimes more than 5 minutes to do so. The remaining power in there. Once end of all, you test the power button, doesn't appear any kind of battery remaining in your cell phone, then you can start replugging. You can charge it again, so you can use temporarily. I've been using this like over weeks right now. It drain again, so I drain all the way power out, then it charge it again. Now it has the same problem again. So simply you drain all the way, and nothing show like this. And that means there's no any battery power remaining here. Then you can plug in, recharge your phone. You can emergency use. I've been using like this over weeks and months. Still no problem charging it. Definitely you need a new battery. Or you can temporarily, emergency case, you can use that phone again. If you have a not charging problem, press the power button, drain all the way. That means it's a battery still in there. It have to be disappear completely. See that? So when you continue press the power button, you don't see that 0% charge. Then you will see this phone has no remaining any battery power. And after that, you can normally charge it again. You can use for weeks and months, probably no problem. Definitely you need a new battery, either a smartphone, Samsung or cell phone, Android phone. You know, you need that new battery. So, but anyway, I've been using like this over months right now, no problem. So I just want to show the trick. Emergency case, your battery not charging in it because remaining battery power in there. And also because the memory is still in there, doesn't reset. Okay, so drain all the way again, so you can able to recharge. So you can normally use again weeks and months, probably no problem. But you can buy a new phone or replace the battery. And usually battery this lasts long 1 or 2 years. And my one's the same problem. I'm recharging again. Then I will definitely need a new battery. So emergency case you can use that. And weeks and months, I've been using a little over months, no problem. Charging normally again, so I have to be retrained all the way and again, it charges back on again. So definitely you need a new battery. But momentarily, emergency case, you can use for weeks and months. You can drain all the way, then you can able to recharge. Okay, folks. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribe my channel. And thank you for everyone watching, 120,000 folks right now. So God bless you all. I'll see you again. You can continue press the power button. Will appear any kind of battery remaining in your cell phone. Okay, so drain all the way again, so you can able to.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
moving. They're having such a wonderful vacation. Thank you for watching. This is Lockborn, Ohio. Our YouTube channel going on for the lot of pennies. Out. How much air it will make you balance. If sensor in there, when you lose like this, it's not you can just minor maintenance proper tied up. And this beautiful Sunday, couple months, I will going to put it out $1,000. Some of them over 20 million. This penny 1979 sold for $1.7 million, folks. This $1 million. Now this coin must be weighed. Hello folks, this is Horrible 2000. So I got the new one and put it on. Simply oops, have a wonderful day. Today is a wonderful Monday, folks. Sunny day. Looks like only some of it. Looks like only some of it. Monday morning here, New Jersey. TA trucks. Wow, it's very nice. Oh, yeah, bigger. About 70,000. 750 delivery to Canada, folks. Hello, folks. This is West Rock. This is West Rock, New York, folks. That's a flat tire. Hey folks, I'm changing at the truck stop here, the pilot. This is what it happens when you have over 75 or 76 total gross weight of a tire got flat. It just blew up like this. I just replaced it yesterday at the TA truck stop because my weight is kind of heavy right now, less than 80,000 pounds, even though, look at this. You know, I was driving very slow too. Look at this, like a brand new tire. It just blew off because of the weight. So, I'm at the truck stop here. This is how they change the tires. It's working right now. The bolts right now. Now each tire about 100 pounds or more than. Yeah, that tire is very heavy. One tire about 100 pounds, so it's very heavy. So need a special, skill for this tire change. Tools like that. And don't try home, folks. Very dangerous. Now, one used to tire, Caspa tire price and the label close a little over $300, and a brand new costs about like $500 and $600, depends on which tire you're gonna put it on. So one tire is very expensive. I spoke to this mechanic, 1920, 1930, $500. You can buy brand new car for that 1930, year of 1930. Now one tire, some of them $600. Not expensive today is everything. No, this one. Excuse me. You're changing this tire only, not that one. Rotating ice. So you are rotating, I guess. For the safety, I see. So he's a professional, he knows what to do. Making a balance. Each other. Because I'm getting a brand new tire ready. This is a brand new tire. So you need to have special tools. Pilot truck stop here, Smithtown, Pennsylvania, folks. It's beautiful Saturday weekend. These folks are working on the Saturday weekend, folks. They open 7 days. He told me that he doesn't get a weekend overtime pay. I guess it's a regular hour job, like a 5 days shipping. Watching a YouTube channel. This is how to change tires from Smithtown, Pennsylvania. This is the pilot truck stop, folks. Come down visiting here. They are professional jobs here, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbs up if you like my YouTube channel. So long. See you again.